thank you for your warm reception. It is an honor to be here before you today. Good morning. I want to personally welcome each one of you to Payments 2001 and thank you of your support of our industry by your participation here today. A tremendous amount of dedication and effort has gone into this event to provide each of you with the opportunity to learn and experience more about the various and newly emerging aspects of your industry, as well as update and refresh you on the segments that you might already be familiar with. For the next few days, each of us is going on a collective but individual journey, a journey that will present to you new horizons in our industry, new ideas, new perspectives, new challenges, and at times, differing and wide-ranging viewpoints. There are many different segments to our industry, and all are represented here. There are those of us that are visionaries, pioneers of these new horizons, while still others of us provide the strong, solid foundation, the backbone of our industry, which enables that vision to go forth. You will see both the vision and the foundation on which that vision for the future will be laid here on your journey over the next few days. I am sure you will see the brilliant minds, the dedication, and even passion of the differing viewpoints on how to safely and effectively expand our industry as a whole. Peering out over the audience, each of us has one common goal, one common purpose. That common purpose that each of us shares unites not only those of us who reside in the United States, but unites us with fellow members of our industry from different countries, different nations, and all walks of life. We welcome you as one of us, for each shares the same common vision as you. Some bring vision and fresh ideas from their various lands, while still others will provide the wisdom and the foundation on which that vision will be laid. Each of us here has something to learn and something to gain. Each of us also has something to share and to give. It is this individual collective sharing that enables our industry to grow and prosper safely, effectively, and efficiently for the future, allowing all of us to fulfill our common vision. It is working and sharing together as a whole that makes our industry and then us individually successful. So relax and enjoy the journey collectively here with your peers. Learn, share, give, and gain. I would like to ask you to join with me briefly for just a moment to recognize and thank the entire Notcha staff, not just for their participation and support of this event, but also for their day in and day out tireless dedication, vision, and hard work in making our industry successful as a whole. Would you join with me? Thank you. Without your hard work and dedication, our journey would not be possible. It is now my pleasure to introduce to you the opening keynote address. This morning's keynote, Secure Electronic Payments, the Foundation for E-Business, features Stratton Sklavos, President and Chief Executive Officer of VeriSign Incorporated, the leading provider of trusted infrastructure services to websites, enterprises, electronic commerce service providers, and individuals. With a simple mission to enable everyone, everywhere, to use the internet with confidence, the company's domain name, digital certificate, and payment services provide the critical web identity, authentication, and transaction infrastructure that online businesses require to conduct secure e-commerce and communications. Since he joined VeriSign in July 1995, the company has grown from $4 million and $1 million in annual revenue in 1995 to more than 2,000 employees and a revenue run rate approaching $1 billion in 2000. Mr. Sklavos sits on the board of directors of several public and private companies and was recognized by the Silicon Valley Business Journal as Entrepreneur of the Year in 1998 in the Emerging Companies category. In addition to being active in the local community, Mr. Sklavos and his wife formed the Sklavos Family Foundation in 1999 to support charitable efforts in education and medical research. Prior to joining VeriSign, Mr. Sklavos held executive management positions with several Silicon Valley technology companies. Would you please join with me in welcoming Stratton Sklavos?
Good morning. Well, I hope I can be quite as, or just half as passionate as John was in that introduction.